Hi makers! Today I am going to explain what a breadboard is and how it works. As you can see in the pictures, this is a universal board for developers. The main advantage is that you can test your prototype circuits without any soldering. There are many types of breadboards, but this is one of the most popular. Inside each breadboard there are hidden connections. The hidden connections act as contact points for electronic components. There are two types of connections, horizontal for the power rails and vertical for the components. On some breadboards, the power rails are split in the middle, while on others they are continuous. Now let me show you how to connect an LED and a resistor on the board. As you can see, the power supply is connected to the power rails. If we want to use the power rails along their whole length, we have to use wire jumpers. Now we connect the LED to two vertical lines. Then we connect the anode to the positive rail. We do the same with the resistor, but we connect it to the negative rail. Next, we connect the vertical lines using the remaining LED and resistor pins. Here you can see alternative solutions with fewer wires. To connect integrated circuits, relays and other components with two rows of pins, we have to use both halves of the breadboard, placing the part in the middle of the board. For parts with incompatible pinouts, I solder wires with male pins to them. I usually break off individual pins from male pin headers, but sometimes I use the whole header. It's best to use either solid core wires or stranded wires with pins. Here is an example showing the differences between two similar breadboards. In this picture you can see the markings of the individual holes. The last important thing to know is that the breadboard is not designed for high-power circuits. Use it only for electronic projects, such as integrated circuits, displays or servos, but not for large motors or any parts that draw more than a few hundred milliamps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.